Hello, everyone, and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Louis. In today's video, we're going to learn how to enable access or how to configure a Tomcat server. What you're going to do is you're going to search up aws.amazon.com, click on create an AWS account or sign in, enter your email in root user email address and the account name in AWS account name. Click on verify email address. Copy the code sent to your email and verify your email. Click on a password. Create a password. Enter your private details. Click on search and search EC2. Click on EC2. Click on instances from the menu on the left. Select your instance. Click on the checkbox to see the public IP address. Open Mobile Extern. Click on Sessions. Select SSH. Paste the public IP address in the remote host. Click on Specify username. Enter your username, preferably EC2-user. Click on Advanced SSH Settings. Click on the checkbox near Use Private Key. Click on the documents icon and select your private key.pem. Click on Accept. cd into the opt directory into Tomcat into conf. Vim into tomcat-users.xml. If you see this error, it's because Vim is not installed. So what we need to do is install Vim using sudo yum install vim-y. Once it's done installing, Vim into tomcat-users vim into tomcat-users.xml. Type user type all of this. Don't worry, I pasted down in the description on the video, in the description of the video down below. But you would need to personalize it in your own manner. As you see in the screenshot above, I made the username DevOps admin and I changed the password to admin123 and I gave myself different roles and I created another dummy user called junior engineer and I gave him the password engineer123. You would need to create as much engineers or users that you need, and different roles could be assigned differently for each users. Click on escape key on the keyboard and click on shift plus ZZ to save changes. cd in the opt directory Tomcat Web Apps Manager and meta.env meta meta dot meta dash inf vim into context.xml. Inside context.xml, enter insert mode and on line 21 and 23, press on the enter key on the keyboard. If you want to see the numbers beside it, you're gonna have to type this command. Start a multi-line comment using this special arrow by doing shift over the shift over the comma shift over the comma and exclamation mark dash dash. That is to start a multi-line comment. You end it with a dash dash and equality sign. Click the escape key on the keyboard and click shift ZZ to save it. Make sure to restart Tomcat after making changes by stopping it and restarting it. By stopping it and starting it once more. Search search http colon dash dash server IP address colon and a port number to verify if Tomcat is working. For example, I did http colon slash slash my own server's IP address that I copied and um, the port 8088. Click on the Manager app on the right hand side of the screen. Keep in mind this page won't keep in mind this page won't show if you keep in mind this page won't show if you haven't started Tomcat. Enter the username and the password that we created a few steps earlier. I entered DevOps admin and admin123 and I click sign in. Congrats, you now have access to the Tomcat Web Application Manager. Once done with the instance, please don't forget to stop the instance because AWS will charge you for the additional time. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it in the comment section down below. I'll see you all in the next video as you continue your DevOps Lane journey with DevOps Lewis.